the velocity, shunting to the side, shunting into the siding. VL 20 feet leading. I'll tell you what the second one is when it gets down here. VL 05 on the back.